Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy options in Webull. Webull is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. To get started, you need to have a Webull account and sufficient funds to purchase options. First, log into your Webull account and navigate to the Trade section. Click on the Options tab and select the stock you want to buy options for. You can browse through the list of available stocks or search for a specific one. Once you have selected the stock, you will see a list of available options contracts. These contracts are categorized by expiration date and strike price. The strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying stock. The expiration date is the last day you can exercise the option. To buy an option, you need to choose the type of option you want to buy. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying stock at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the underlying stock at the strike price. After selecting the type of option, choose the expiration date and strike price that suits your investment strategy. You can also select the number of contracts you want to buy. One contract is equivalent to 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, review the option quote and the Greeks, which include delta, gamma, theta, and vega. These metrics can help you understand the risks and potential rewards of the option. When you are ready to buy, click on the Buy button and confirm the transaction. You will see the option contract in your portfolio, and you can monitor its performance in real time. It is essential to remember that buying options involves risk, and you can lose the entire premium you paid if the option expires worthless. Therefore, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of options trading and to develop a risk management strategy before buying options. In conclusion, buying options in Webull is a straightforward process that requires you to select the stock, choose the type of option, and pick the expiration date and strike price. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start buying options and diversifying your investment portfolio.